I'm Serena Armstrong with First Hands Health Careers, and today I will be doing Peri care on a female. First, I will be doing some hand hygiene. Then I will be providing privacy for Miss Peri, gathering my materials, a bath blanket, grabbing 6 washcloths. Grab the basin for the warm water. I grab the soap for when we wash her, and 6 washcloths. So there's that. And then also I will be grabbing a bed pad to put underneath her to make sure, no water or anything gets on the sheet, the clean sheet. Make sure that you check the water, that it's a nice temp for the resident. Okay. I'm going to pull the side rail up for Miss Faith's safety. Make sure it's locked and secure. I'm going to raise the bed for the working level, waist length or waist height. I'm going to put on my gloves. Bed pad underneath her. Make sure I put this up. Yeah, I'm just rolling it inward so I can tuck it underneath her. And then I'm going to turn her towards the side rail on 3. 1, 2, 3. Still providing privacy. Now I'm going to tuck it underneath the resident. Now she's going to turn towards me so I can pull it out on 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then we're going to wet the washcloth. And we're going to lather up with soap. That's good. Okay. Then we're going to use one corner for one side of the vagina. Straight down towards the back. 1. Fold the corner. Next side, front to back, and then front to back for the middle. Down. And then we're gonna put this right here. Then we're gonna rinse. Then we're gonna rinse her Peri area. Okay. Front to back. 1. Front to back. 2. And then for the middle, front to back. 3. Okay. Now we're gonna pat her dry. Still same motion, front to back. Each corner, different corner each time. There you go, there's her Peri area. Now we're gonna do the rectum. The front is finished, now I'm gonna move on to her rectum. So I'm gonna turn her towards the side rail on 3. 1, 2, 3. This was the rectum area. Body alignment. And then I'm going to wet the rag again. New fresh rag each time. Lather up with soap. Okay, and 2 wipes, clean side each time from front to back. 1 and 2. This back. Now we're going to rinse. Wet the rag again. No soap this time. Just water. Clean corner each time, front to back. 1 and 2. Now we're going to pat dry. front to back, front to back. Alright, there we go. Now since I'm here, I'm going to roll up the bed pad and discard this in the hamper. Turn it back over towards me. And turn it towards me. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you turn it inward, keep any water or dirt inside. Then I'm going to bring this up for her. And remove the blanket from her chest, still providing privacy. Put this in the hamper. Remove privacy. Get down the side rail. And then I'm going to lower the bed. Highlight. Make sure the bed is all the way down to the ground. Raise the head of the bed for comfort. Okay, Miss Faith, I will see you later. And I'm going to also put these inside the hamper. And we'll pour this into the sink. Rinse out the basin. Dry your basin off. Put the materials back where you found them. And then I'm going to take off my gloves and perform hand hygiene. Wet your hands to wrist. Lather, intertwine fingers. Scrub the palm of your hand to get underneath your nails. Rinse. Dry my hands. Grab a clean paper towel to turn off the water. And that is my end of skill. Alright, I'm Serena Armstrong. I just showed you how to do peri care on a female. Please like and subscribe. Thumbs up, no thumbs down. Thank you.